Don't forget to share, like, comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel. If you have applied to Lyceum College, the next important step is monitoring your application status. Checking your application regularly allows you to know whether your application has been received, is still being processed, requires additional documents, or has been approved. Many applicants become anxious after submitting their applications, but the process is straightforward if you know where to look. This guide explains everything you need to know about checking your Lyceum College application status and what each status means. Tracking your application status helps you confirm that your application was successfully submitted. Know whether your supporting documents have been received. Respond quickly if additional information is requested. Find out when an admission decision has been made. Prepare for registration once you are accepted. Checking your status regularly ensures you do not miss important updates from the admissions office. Before you begin, make sure you have your application or student reference number, the email address used during your application, your ID number or passport number if required, a stable internet connection, access to your email account. Having these details ready makes the process much faster. Follow these simple steps. Open your preferred web browser and visit the official Lyceum College website, www.lyceum.edu.za. Navigate to the student or admissions portal. Look for the section related to admissions, online applications or the student portal. www.lyceum.edu.za/student-portal/. Login. Enter the login credentials you used during your application. This may include email address, student number, application reference number, password. Open your application dashboard. Once logged in, your dashboard should display information about your submitted application. Select the option to view your application status. Review your current status. Your application status will indicate the current stage of your admission process. Review any messages carefully, as they may contain important instructions. You may see one of several status updates. Application received. This means Lyceum College has successfully received your application. Your documents are waiting to be reviewed. Documents outstanding. The admissions office requires additional documents before your application can proceed. Submit the requested documents as soon as possible. Under review. Your application is currently being evaluated. The admissions team is verifying your qualifications and supporting documents. Awaiting decision. Your application has completed most of the review process and is waiting for a final admission decision. Provisionally accepted. Congratulations! You have met the admission requirements, although additional steps may still be necessary before final registration. Accepted. Your application has been approved. You can now prepare for registration by following the instructions provided by Lyceum College. Unsuccessful. Unfortunately, your application was not approved. You may consider applying for another program, or applying during a future intake if eligible. Application processing times vary depending on several factors, including the number of applications received, whether all required documents were submitted, verification of academic records, admission requirements for your chosen program. During busy admission periods, processing may take longer than usual. Applicants should continue checking both the online portal and their email for updates. Sometimes an application may remain under review for several weeks. If this happens, continue checking your application portal regularly. Monitor your email inbox and spam folder. Ensure all requested documents have been uploaded. Contact the admissions office if your application has remained unchanged for an unusually long period. Avoid submitting multiple applications unless instructed to do so. If you cannot access your account, reset your password. Most student portals include a forgot password option. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Contact student support. If you no longer have access to your registered email address or cannot recover your account, contact Lyceum College's admissions or IT support team for assistance. Applications may take longer if required documents are missing. Documents cannot be verified. Information entered is incomplete. High application volumes create processing backlogs. Additional eligibility checks are required. Providing complete and accurate information helps reduce delays. Once accepted, you should read your acceptance notification carefully. Complete any outstanding admission requirements. Accept your admission offer if required. Prepare the documents needed for registration. Pay any required registration fees according to college instructions. Attend orientation if applicable. Following these steps promptly helps secure your place. Checking your Lyceum College application status is an important part of the admissions journey. By regularly monitoring your application through the official student portal, keeping your documents up to date, and responding quickly to any requests, you can stay informed throughout the process. Whether your application is still under review or you have already received an offer of admission, staying proactive ensures you are prepared for every stage of becoming a Lyceum College student. Don't forget to share, like, comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel.